Caught a fish! This is the third for today. Oh, my phone? Oh, hold on, move your hand. I'm taking a video. So just hold it up.
Alright, so she got a stripe over here. You see how big she is? Look at the fish. Put the fish close to you, Bree. That's a big piece of meat. And then come on over here and show them the other fish you caught. That's a 5-gallon bucket. That's a speckled trout in there. And she got a small croaker in there. I ain't caught nothing.